In this video, we will explore the most common concerns people have about AI. Things like fears and misconceptions, how AI affects society, and why using AI ethically really matters. First, let's talk about some common fears and myths surrounding AI. You've probably heard a few of these before. AI can think and feel like a human. This isn't true. AI doesn't have a brain, emotions, or consciousness. It works by recognizing patterns in data, not by having thoughts or feelings. When it gives a response, it's predicting what's most likely to come next based on its training, not because it feels anything. AI understands information the same way people do. Actually, AI doesn't understand at all. It processes words and numbers using algorithms, but it has no awareness of meaning or context like humans do. For example, it can summarize a sentence, but it doesn't know why that sentence matters or how it might make someone feel. AI learns completely on its own. AI needs a lot of human help to learn. Developers train AI using large data sets and carefully chosen examples. It doesn't go out and gather knowledge by itself. It relies on people to feed it the right kind of information and to correct mistakes during training. AI is smarter than humans in every way. AI can be better at certain tasks, like sorting through massive amounts of data or spotting patterns in images, but it's only as smart as the task it was designed for. It can't make decisions outside of its programming or switch between different kinds of thinking the way humans can. And just because AI can sound confident doesn't mean it's always right. AI systems don't truly know anything. They generate answers based on patterns in data, which means they can sometimes give incorrect or misleading information. It's important to treat AI as a tool, not a trusted expert. AI will replace most human jobs. While AI might automate some repetitive tasks, most jobs still need human skills, like communication, critical thinking, and empathy. In many cases, AI is a tool that helps people work more efficiently, rather than something that replaces them completely. Now that we've addressed a few myths, let's talk briefly about how AI affects society. AI is already being used in helpful ways, like improving healthcare, translating languages, and assisting with accessibility. But it's not perfect, and if it's built or used without care, it can reinforce unfair biases or make mistakes that affect people's lives. That's why ethical use of AI really matters. It means making sure AI is designed to be fair, safe, and respectful of privacy. It also means keeping humans involved in the decision-making process, especially in sensitive areas like education, finance, and medicine. The more you understand what AI can and can't do, the better prepared you are to use it wisely and responsibly. If you would like to learn more about your Lenovo device, subscribe to Lenovo Support on YouTube or go to pcsupport.lenovo.com.